Yo, 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 good morning, good morning. What's up, everybody? We got Nick in the building, we got Bakoro, we got Antoine, and we got Sarah in this bitch. Let's go. What's up, guys? Happy Tuesday. Feeling good, chat. I got a good sleep last night. Feeling recharged. I'm ready to hold some trades today. Or I'm ready to be savvy, whichever one I gotta do. But I'm ready. Not playing today. And we will have Chase joining us today too, so be a fun stream. It's always nice to not have to stream by myself. What else do I need to do? I think all my zones are dragged over pretty good, so. Alright, yeah. So I'm pretty much just watching for the double break today, getting back systematic, taking every ES double break, leaving the stop where it needs to be, and taking profit where I need to take profit. Or if it's a good double break, taking 90%. That's what I'm sticking to. I don't want to add too much discretion because I feel like I'm going to get in my own way. And I don't want to do that. First thing I am noticing though, we got an M on the 15 minute, so. Let's see. We're above the value area. Cool, if we can get a double break long, that'd be perfect. I'd love longs above the value area high. Where's the previous day? Oh yeah, and we'll have bullish alignment too, so that'd be perfect. Yeah, let me note that up. Let me zoom in my chart too. It's looking kind of fugly. I don't like that. I bet. There we go. Alright, above P-value areas. Bullish alignment. $75% win rate. Dang, I wish I had a 75% win rate. Mine right now is at a 68 since June 10th. I've taken 41 double breaks. Wow. 28 and 13. Let's see, are we gonna form support on this previous all-time high, 76.94? I think my buddy Corey was talking about US 30. If it breaks out, we're probably ripping Jimmy up 5.1. Dang, that's wild. I can English. I can't wait till I get some more trading accounts in my bag though, because I do want to take the double break on YM. I'd like to be able to just be systematic on both indices, but not use the same accounts. Like, I like having a batch to rotate on ES, and then I want to also have a batch that I can rotate through on YM. My laptop is fried. It's so loud. Yeah, let's go retest the overnight VWAP. Haven't touched it since last night, like yesterday. Dang, I really can't talk today. I can't read military time. That's the confession. I saw 2300 and I couldn't read it. That's 11 o'clock though. I think. Yeah, I can't read military time. Anyways, this red line is the 15-minute 200 moving average. So, pretty bullish. I'd definitely like to see a retest of overnight, and then that sets up double break longs. How did you guys end yesterday? I saw the double break ended up playing out on MES. If you held your take profit. Dang, I'm at your stop loss. Dang, I'm tweaking today. Why can't I click that? I can't, I can't click it. Can you drop it as a, no, because I still can't click the comment itself. I can't copy paste it because I can't, like, when I click on it, it puts it on the screen. Like, I can't click the actual words. If you put it in the Discord, I can open it up. Pretty choppy opening range so far. Yeah, it doesn't let me open it. You gotta send me a link, bro. I like a clickable link. It said file not found. Nothing on. Oh no, we have consumer confidence at 10 for news, so maybe that'll do something. We trading the drawdown accounts today. We need about $1,100 to break even. So I'm gonna try to put $500 in the account today. That's the goal. God, this market is dog dookie. I'm gonna send you a screenshot of what this looks like on my screen. Just want to see a retest to the overnight, baby. Come on. MY on double break looks good. That is a huge candle, golly. Huge bearish action on YM. Yeah, I mean, to be honest, the double break long does look pretty good on YM. That's good. Hopefully the indices don't move opposite today. Because if YM goes long, I need ES to go along with it. Alright, 1 minute for the opening range to set. Swept the weekly. That's what this orange line right here is. It's the weekly open. That guy right there. All right, what's our opening range? Bro, TradingView has been pissing me off with this. $10. Ah, how do I get a good RR on that? Man. Man, this sucks. I don't like when the range is tiny like that. We got Luna Trades in the building. Let's go. Yeah, I'm looking at the range and I'm like, man, this stop. I mean, the TP for the stop sucks. I mean, because I would want to put it below the overnight, even if we go and retest it. And then only really take, I mean, hopefully the New York VWAP would probably drop some, but these aren't my ideal double breaks. Did you take London today? What's up, Chase?
Yo, what's up? What's up, gang?
We got all the homies in the building. Let's go. Ah, no double break.
Still no Regini this week, right?
No, Bergini is not with us. It is a sad week.
That is too bad.
Yeah, bro, I do miss her in the chat. But honestly, everybody else is stepping up, bro. Yesterday was a really good
Nice.
stream.
Nice, nice.
Man. Is this gonna set up a double break short? I hope not. Look at that. YM and ES are going divergent. Man. Really wonky market we're in, man. This is like, I swear, August has been the most difficult market for me, at least.
No, that's fair. August has not been difficult at all. Or, I mean, has not been easy at all.
Dude, it's crazy. The market open looks like the pre-market action. That's nuts. Doesn't even look like the market opened.
See, size of Yeah, I know. Size of freaking opening range is like 9 points.
Yeah. What am I supposed to do with this, chat? Looks like we're just having trouble get below that previous all-time high. What's up, Chase? How you doing this morning, bro?
I'm doing good, G. Doing good. Just having had some trouble waking up to the first alarm, so the second one caught us though. How
Some
are you
easy
doing, brother?
boy. I'm doing good, bro. I'm feeling fired up. Feeling good.
Excellent, excellent. Yeah, no, I'm excited to trade since I didn't trade yesterday. So,
Yesterday was tough. It was like it. We ended up getting some profits, but it was brutal for sure. It was like this.
right.
I think we took the double break around this time, and then we sat in it for an hour, and I took profit just before 11.
Wow, I'm impressed you went with the double break yesterday. I looked back at price action and weren't we below previous day value area low?
Yeah, but I was saying I want to be more systematic with the double break. I feel like trying to put myself back into the equation is one, it's starting to mess with me and my mental, and two, I don't want to mess with my profits. Like there are
Okay.
gonna be plenty of double breaks that look atrocious that are gonna win. I mean, we've seen it happen before, so I think I just got shook by taking some losses, and
Got
then
you.
I had a call with Luna, and he says like the first thing we do after we take a couple losses is we try to start doing things different or fix things. And I was like, brother, I started doing that after the first one. so,
Right.
so trying to
No,
get back
that's
to
a
see what
good
works.
catch. That's good.
Is the overnight VWAP we see? Yes, so this is my overnight VWAP right here. The red line is the 200 moving average on the 15-minute time frame. And then the dark blue is the New York VWAP. Yo, you brought Regini in. Yo. She came for you, Chase.
Told you.
Good morning.
Welcome in, Regini. Welcome in.
Regini's going to give us the double break long we were looking for. Yo, so do you use Adams indicator?
Um, I have it set up. So yeah, now all I have to do is click like the um view button. Yeah, like I have it on my thing right now. I can share my screen.
All right, you're on, brother. What up, K-Walk? Shorting SPY for the 20% gap fill. Oh, wow, that's a huge gap. Dang, where's Ben at when I need him? All right, we got our break of the opening range, but honestly, seeing how big that gap is, I feel like we're about to flush through the overnight VWAP. I'm a little nervous to take the double break long now.
Why is that?
There's a huge gap on SPY to the downside.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
I bet that gap's gonna fill. And the R&R in this double break sucks.
If we can get back above New York, I like it. I like it.
Seven and a half points for 4.5 points.
No, I don't like the R to R. I like the double break long.
That's the R&R I just said for the double break.
I know. I don't love the R to R, but I love the probability of the double break so much that I'm more than willing to, if it closes above New York, I'm more than willing to take, I don't know. For me, it's more like a 0.8 R if we get above New York.
Would it be out of pocket to target the previous day high?
No.
It's
Definitely.
only 2 more points higher.
Exactly. So I like the longs if we close above New York, but that's just me.
I think I'm gonna have to take it regardless, but I think I'm gonna dislike doing it. Yeah, you might not have the same VWAP price as me. I use Austin's VTC indicator.
Yeah, I don't. It's nice. I bet it's nice though to have it all like simplified and stuff.
It's just nice to know that I don't have to do anything.
Right.
Like, oh, I want to start adding the IB on. Okay, I click 2 buttons. I don't gotta mark it up every day.
Right. Just keep in mind that like marking it up like as the day goes, like for me it's like okay, opening range high. Right now it's also my IB high. You know, it's like how much work is marking up the IB high?
For me, it's just one less thing that I have to think about.
Gotcha. No, that's fair. You have it automated, so it's easy.
Because then that allows
Simple.
me to mark up other things. Like, I like to mark up my, like, wick zones and stuff.
Exactly, yeah. So no news from Black Arrow yet?
No, nothing yet. Nothing yet. I feel like for the stage of where I am in the progress of like interviewing, I think for this to be the spot where like there's the most time between communication, it makes sense.
Definitely.
Because this is also like like this is a new thing for them as well. This isn't something that they've had going for years and years, so I have to be patient with them as well.
Yeah. Well, yeah, bro, it's exciting. Hopefully, we hear some news from him soon.
Yeah, bro, I definitely want to hear it sooner than later, bro, because like, bro, I can like barely sleep, bro. This like not because of the job, but like I'm just so anxious because like it'll change my life.
Right.
Like I'll be working hard, but life will be on easy mode for the first time ever for me because I feel stable. I've never
Uh,
really been stable.
damn, bro. Yeah, that would be huge.
Like, bro, first thing I'm doing if I get this job, I'm full porting one of these fundeds. Like, I don't care. We're trying the probability. I understand the probabilities of trading. It could work out. I'm going for it. I have five. I bet if I take five swings, I'm not gonna miss all five. I have the stats to show me I won't miss all five.
Is there a consistency rule?
Nope. Max payout
Nice.
is $2,500. So if I get my account to 105K, I get to withdraw the max amount. But honestly, I would take 2K. Like I would withdraw anything between like 103 and 104
Right.
because I have so many accounts. But yeah, like just having a job will allow me to go for max payout. I can just swing the bat and not care.
Yeah, exactly. That'll be huge.
I'm liking the longs, honestly.
I know, that's what I'm saying, brother.
Bruh, why is there a check mark on MNQ's double break? I could fight NQ, man.
You are not NQ's biggest fan, are you?
Nah, bro, I hate NQ. Bruh, that double break played out so easy. Indices are just bearish, so looking for the double break long, even though we're above the value areas, may not be where the market wants to go. We did see yesterday we were under the value area low and we bought up. So I wonder if the opposite's gonna happen because we're above the value area high and we're gonna sell off now.
I mean, yeah, so that's always a possibility, with the generic rule being if we're above the value area high, we'd like to look for longs. But Cam's right, sometimes like obviously um any rule isn't going to work 100% of the time, and retracements and pullbacks are a big part of market cycles. So if right now in the lower time frame we're getting a bearish retracement here, and this really is just continuing bullish, but it has kind of been actually more so. I know higher time frame we're still very much bullish, But if you look at the last couple weeks, we've actually been moving somewhat bearish. Anyway, Cam's right. We definitely can always use previous day, point value very high, point of control, all that stuff to pull back towards as a magnet. Same thing with New York VWAP.
I think what's pulling the market down right now is the market wants to fill the gap on SPY. Not just individually, but I think there would be other gaps as well. Just that's how the indices work in stocks. There's an 80% statistic that says the gap fills on SPY. So,
Are you talking about a true gap or a fair value gap?
like this one that opened on screen. Remember Ben from Black Shirt Club? He was talking about that on my stream a
Yeah.
couple weeks ago. I
Uh-huh.
just forgot how he said it and what the stat meant. I wish I would have wrote it down. But I think that aligned with overall market conditions trying to trend bearish and then seeing a gap like that. If we just rip down in the futures market, I wouldn't be surprised. Because what I'm learning from the guys in options is that the market makers hedge positions in futures to make money in options.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah, I'm glad you said that because I was gonna leave it at that. I still don't understand it. That's why I
Well,
want to
it's
learn
just
options.
a way of managing risk and mitigating it to a degree as well. It's definitely high level stuff that I don't understand how to nor do I like study how to do that, but there is plenty of theory, obviously. And yeah, if you have big money, then I mean, I would probably learn how to hedge too in the future. If I was playing with a lot more money, I would probably hedge in different asset classes too. I'm not gonna lie. You're just protecting yourself from downside is what it's used for. But yeah, Cam's right. If we got into the like specific details of it right now, we would both sound a lot less intelligent than what we'd like to sound live on X on a Tuesday morning.
Dude, I've already sounded dumb today. I can barely speak a proper sentence. I had a great stream yesterday, and now today I'm like sounding like a third grader. Regini asked, is the Black Shirt Club shutting down? It is not shutting down. They're just not accepting new members after the 31st. Part of it is
It's
because
the Black Shirt Club shutting down. I love it, Regini. I love
part
it.
of it's because they want to redo some things, make it better, regroup, and then I think the other reason is well, wait, I don't know if Austin said anything yet. I think he has. Yeah, I think he announced the baby. Yeah, he had a baby, so he has a baby girl now.
That's crazy, bruh.
Nice Cyril. Cyril's up 250 from the double break in Q. Bokoro took that as well. Nice, nice. Yeah, good call out on the SPY. I'm glad you mentioned that. Chase, I'll be right back. I'll throw you on screen. I'm gonna go get some water.
Sounds good. So right now the size of opening range is about 9 points. Size of the break is almost 8. So we definitely have, even though not a lot of volume today, we have a strong break of opening range. Doesn't mean I'm shorting this market right now, but
All right, looks like we're
Cam,
bouncing the 15-minute 200 moving average, so that's good. We formed support off of there at 4:15 a.m. So hopefully we get a close back above the overnight VWAP, and then I like the longs.
definitely.
I'm gonna go heavy too.
I'm gonna go heavier because it's a lower
Yo,
volume day.
how many micros you doing?
Across all three?
Yeah,
I don't know yet. I'll have to measure it out. We'll see. Possibly like 60.
I think you could fit 100, bro.
It's possible. I could go 90 again because you weren't here last week. I was on with Adam and I had fucking 90 micros on.
Good grief,
We
Charlie
won the
Brown.
trade too. But it was like smaller, like distance because it was a pretty choppy trade. So, but we made some green out of it. Just not what you think of when you say I won the trade and I was in 90 micros. It wasn't like huge green.
It'd be like that.
Okay, so
Um,
like
I
something
did add
like
the bot to the Discord, but I don't. It doesn't like let me put the link in. Honestly, like once I get the job with Black Arrow, I'm just gonna set up Me Six because that, and it's a paid subscription bot, and that'll be exactly how I want it. It'll send the link and it'll look all nice and stuff. You guys can just click the bot.
what are you talking about?
I was Bakoro sent me a trading bot to a trading bot. See, bro, I can't talk today. I don't know what's up. He sent me a Discord bot to add for notifications on when I go live.
Oh, nice.
Vergini says, "Enter, panic, move, stop loss, regret."
Is Regini already kicking it off with some of her philosophical quotes?
Her philosophical jokes, her jokey jokes.
Sometimes they're jokes, sometimes they're quotes, sometimes they're like warnings slash like, you know, folk tale. And
Sometimes they're
then
real life experiences.
exactly, and then sometimes they're just like, yeah, genuine ass like real talk. Regini just I never know what she's gonna bring to the table. All I know is it's gonna be somewhat like productive or like effective for the stream in some way.
For sure, for sure.
Yeah, Regini and the rest of the chat. So this is the first time Cam's gonna hear this too. I got my very first uh just the design, the prototype of what the first shirt for the merch could look like. So don't get too excited. There's no like shirts or anything like that. There's just I have one idea I've worked through and I actually have like a PDF of
Let me
it.
get a shirt.
So
Let me get a little shirt.
um if Cam wants to uh, take a peek at it, then I might preview to the chat what my idea looks like right now, and then if you guys want to give me feedback too. And so my point of bringing that up is in the future I may want to just hire someone to basically like take care of, like, say maybe me and Cam like wanted to get involved with like the design of the shirts, of course, if it's our merch, but then like I might pay someone to just do a lot of that work for me. So Regini, you definitely have you have my attention if you want a job in the future. I'm gonna tell you that. I have to wait for Trader Cam though to see what's going on with his job with Black Arrow, because that will affect like how much I'm pushing the merch forward with Cam versus if it's just my own side project. So we'll see.
I mean, bro, like I was thinking of a way that maybe we could like do a website or something because like you do still need your own brand. Like you're building your own brand. It's taking a little longer because you work a job. So like, that's the only reason why I'm a like because this is my job showing up here every day. Like this is my job.
Right.
So I was thinking of a website. You know what I mean? Like I think that would look that like we both had. Like it was one website for both of us, you know?
Yeah, exactly. Cam, the other thing is, um, if like we can talk about this, but I know you mentioned this before, like the Black Arrow thing became like a real possibility. Like as a backup plan, if that needed more time before they brought you on, like I would always be open to talking about like, hey, like if you want your like ownership of the like merch to come from like you putting in more time of it than me, so it's like me like kind of like I could pay you
Well, to
to.
be honest, I'm kind of thinking about like letting you be like the front runner of the project.
Hmm.
Like this is like your craft. You know what I mean? And I'm definitely down to be a part if I have my own money to be a part of it. But if I
Right.
don't, then I'm like, you take off. Because at the either way, I already had this idea in the back of my head. You know what I mean? But then you brought it out, and I was like, okay, bet I would do this with you. You said it first. I'm gonna rock with you. Because as soon as you said that, I'm like, dang, like I want to do a chill zone hoodie, like just for my own wearing. I don't care if I sell it.
Yeah, exactly, dude. No, exactly. Shout out Regini. Those
Uh,
prototypes of some of those brand things you were sending over to Cam, he sent those to me, and one of them um, is like the logo that I'm trying out on the back of the shirt and the hoodie right now. The front is different, but the back is uh, it's like your designs could be the logo of the merch, Regini, or at least on part of the back of the first prototype. So shout out Regini. Some of the chat, I'm gonna stop talking about Regini right now, as much as I love you, Regini, just because I don't want like K Walk and the rest of the chat to hate Regini, because they're like Chase and Cam, they're always talking about that fucking Regini, like they never talk about anyone else. But yeah, Cam, let me know too. I know if you get the job, you'll have the money to get in, but I'm saying like if you don't get the job, you could still be a part of it a little bit if you wanted to, like, cuz I would need help. If you put a few hours per week into it, then I could pay you for that.
oh yeah, for sure.
You know what I mean? And that's how it would be worth my while, like, because I would definitely want some help with this
Bro,
merch
you actually
idea.
got me excited to do it because, like, I don't have a lot. Like, how do I say this? No way that doesn't sound. I don't have the most, like, versatile drip. Like, I have a slimmer wardrobe. I don't care about being materialistic right now. I'll spend money on clothes and shoes when I got a bag. But to
Right,
be able to spend money to make my own clothes and wear shit like the Chill Zone or like I pound sand because like that was funny as fuck. Like
right.
that's worth it. I want to do
Mm-hmm.
that. I would much rather wear our shit than go to fucking like Burberry or even just like the town center and get like some Nike. Like I don't support these corporations.
Yeah.
I support the people I know. That's why I'm also down to do Black Arrow because I met them. They're not just some company that reached out to me. I know the people there.
All right, you got me on. I'm gonna show them
Yeah, bro, I want to see it. Show them.
I'm gonna show them the thing,
We're just
dude.
watching this market sell off here.
No, that's not it. That's not it. All right, here's the shirt. What is your bias today? Long, short, double break. Hashtag price is ripping. Hashtag I love VWAP. And then the back is gonna be um one of the things that Rikini sent me. But that's just the first prototype, you know. I can still like toy with stuff. Like if you guys hate it, let me know. If it looks like a 4-year-old designed it, let me know. I'm still like learning how the tools with it work, but I have a good idea of like what I want the shirt to look like. I'm just kind of learning how like to use the um, tools on the software to actually set it up. What do you think, Cam?
I like the I
Someone
like it. It
said I
makes me
can
laugh.
help with the website building. Okay, bet. If you like built the website, like I know like I can do it fairly cheap like with Wix and like stuff like that. So like hit me up. I think you
Dog,
you
we can have
just
AI, bro. We can have AI make us a website for in 5-10 minutes. AI code, Claude code,
all right. All right. I'll
making a
show.
website super easy.
What were you saying though, Cam? You like the shirt or not?
I do like the shirt. It made me laugh.
Do you think
I
it
think
needs
it needs
editing?
less. Yes, I think it needs less on the front. Let the joke like be the thing, and then put those things on the back. Be like, I love you up and stuff around like the logo.
Like price is ripping, put that on the back.
Yeah, like those two quotes on the bottom.
Or like the sleeve. Wouldn't that be cool if one of them was on like the left
Yeah, or
sleeve
like
or
the
something?
sleeve. Yeah, but like leave the face of the shirt for it to be that joke. I fuck with that. That shit's
Got
funny.
it. Okay.
I fuck with
And then
that.
I have another one in the works of the pound sand, don't worry. I think the punchline for that one is something like it's something like um did you fade or you faded the New York VWAP? Go pound sand or something like that. Faded the VWAP? Go pound sand.
Exactly, bro. Just boom my account. Gonna go pound some sand.
Yeah, that's a good one too. Just oh, I might have a better line. Just blew 8 evals. Gonna go pounds.
Just blew 10 fundeds. Gonna go pound sand.
No, no, no. How about this one? Just blew my TOF live account.
Dude, bro, imagine having a shirt that said that. That would be
That's a good
fucking
one.
priceless.
I'm writing that shit down right now.
That would be fucking priceless.
I just blew my TOF live account. Dude, I feel like Randy and Austin are gonna see this and they're gonna be like, dude, Austin would drop a bag on that shirt. Just blew my TOF funded account. Dot dot dot. Gonna
Yeah,
go
when
pound
Austin blows his
sand.
account, I'm gonna send it to him.
And then so then in the background though, it'll be like a the background will be like a beach with like a sand castle. Like it'll be like the beach with like the ocean and then like a sand castle with like the little like toy like shovel and like little toy plastic thing to make the sand castle and just like kind of a mound of sand. What do you think about that? But no one actually pounding sand. Just like the most like uh you know ready to pound sand that you've ever seen. Just like this beach that's just like ready that you can just picture like a group of younger kids just coming up and like wrecking this area. And that's what you see in the background of this shirt.
That was a lot of detail for pounding sand.
That's what I'm telling you, dude.
Yo, I don't know, bro. I'm lost. You lost me. My bad, though. I zoned out.
Maybe I'm just like I just like have these ideas of like
You
the
you might have to
description.
write that down. I might have to read that in paragraph form.
Got you.
No, I think it's good though. Run all your. I'm not actually. I'm not gonna talk about how to run the business on the live. Bro. I'm very like personal when it comes to business talk, bro. Because people will steal your ideas and they'll run off with it. I've seen it happen, bro. Just from me posting content online, I can see other creators kind of pushing out similar like layout as me. I don't know if it's coincidence. It may be. It may
Right.
not be. But I'm peeping game. I think it's a good thing. I think it means that people like what I produce. So they're like, okay, if I do this, I'll blow up too. But it's also teaching me to slow down and be careful about what I say.
Smart.
Regini has a good question in the chat. What has trading taught you? Trading has taught me detachment, first from my emotions, then from my account. That's good though. That's two really valid things you need to do. You wanna answer first?
What has trading taught us?
Yeah, what has trading taught you?
Oh man, we're Regini with these deep questions. I would just say to keep it short, um, I would say uh, trading has definitely taught me to be process oriented and focus less, like give less weight to goals and care more about the process of how I do stuff. That would be the simplest way I could answer that question. Or the shortest way. Maybe that's not simple at all, but the shortest way.
No, that's a good answer. I mean, trading's kind of taught me the same thing. It's taught me how to really, at this point, manage my life. I now live a structured life. I wake up at the same time every day. I try to go to bed at the same time every day. I go to the gym the same time every night. And like being consistent in the same habits are causing me to be consistent in the charts. Like I take the one trade. If it doesn't present, I don't FOMO into the shorts right now. I don't try to call the longs off the value area high. So if anything, it's teaching me patience.
Wait, what? We're not calling this long? Chat, right as he said that, I was about to set up, I was about to go 80. Oh, well,
Well, you would have
look at
just got
that.
stopped out, bro. I'm trying to save the chat. I'm trying to save the chat. I'm trying to save the chat.
Look what I get for messing around. I go to make a joke about
Shut
throwing in
up,
a
Chase.
random
Class is
long.
in session.
And as I'm messing around, Price says, "Okay, you actually gonna throw in 80 micros? Bet." And it drops probably 15 points, almost about
we
75% of
flushed the
volume.
entire value area range with that one candle.
I was gonna say we just moved 75% of New York's session volume in 5 seconds on a
Look at
wick,
how it looks on my screen, Chase.
and then came right back.
Like, bro, I've never seen that.
We just tapped overnight on MES.
His VWAP
Really?
might be off.
Yeah, I was gonna say that thing is way
'Cause mine
off, my
is,
brother.
yeah, mine's accurate. Mine's at the Monday candle. Dude, that isn't even,
Overnight VWAP should be above us,
yeah.
essentially. No matter where it is, it should be freaking above us on your chart.
I bet you the gap just filled. I bet that's what that was. Yep. Gap filled.
No way.
Yep. Look at it. The stats. The stats don't lie.
Hey,
80%
hey,
chance.
look at that though. Now, if the long set up, I feel much better about taking the long now.
Me too. Fuck it. We're full porting today.
You might get a good setup here to full port that account off Trader Cam. If you feeling it.
Yeah, bro. Now you're good to put on those 80 micros. Now you don't have to be scared about getting wicked out.
We are finding support off of previous day value area high. Let's see what happens if we can't get above the VWAP. The VWAP. Remember on
VWAP.
Friday? The VWAP?
BWAP, baby. Yeah, maybe we should bring that back in because we made money Friday, so.
I know, but it was an emotional roller coaster with the VWAP. Every time we said WAP, price dipped down into further and further into drawdown for all of us.
I think I'm gonna have to start learning about options. That enticed me.
Cam's waiting for this close above the WAP right now. But I think
Yeah, I'm gonna go long above the WAP.
he's getting a little bit
Cause SPY, so on SPY, where this candle hold is the
restless.
previous value area high.
Mm-hmm.
So knowing that we're holding SPY's previous value area high, if we're above on ES now, that's a double confirmation.
Right. We are above previous day value area high on ES as well.
Not on my screen.
Got it.
Mine is at 82.
Okay, so we're close though. That's good.
But everybody's levels are going to be slightly off, so pay attention to your chart.
Exactly. So for me, guys, we're right about at value area high right now. So we're hoping to, well, I mean, we're not hoping for shit. I should take that, remove hope from the trading language, but we will see. I might get a long opportunity with Cam here if price continues to trickle back towards the WAP. I should say towards both the WAPs because we have uh, overnight and New York virtual weighted average price both sitting right together.
Bro, can you say the full name again?
You liked that? That was good, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, so right now we're below New York virtual weighted average price, but we're trying to close back above that for the double break long.
I love that. That's just
It
so
sounds
funny.
so nerdy, so sophisticated.
Like, you know what you're talking about.
I know, it makes me sound a lot smarter than I actually am.
Like, didn't it just flow off the tongue?
Definitely. Oh, that's another shirt idea.
What? Bro's just
Virtual,
getting gems. Yo, every
virtual,
stream we get hella gems.
like it's just gonna be virtual weighted average price repeat.
That's funny. I don't think anybody's ever said that.
Like actually spelled it out like that. No, I've heard Austin say it. When he's like explaining what it is, he'll be like, the VWAP is the virtual weighted average price. It's so fucking funny, dude.
Well, you know it's not virtual, right?
Well, then what is it?
Oh, this joke just got so much fucking funnier. It's volume.
Volume
Oh, bro,
weighted.
that's.
Volume
Oh,
weighted
you're getting
average
clipped. You're
price.
getting clipped.
Well, that's what I get for that.
Chat, this guy doesn't know what the VWAP stands for. Take your VWAP off the chart right now. You lost your privilege.
Fuck that, dude. That's my sense of direction.
Yeah. But virtual weighted average price is way tougher.
You think so?
I think so. It may not make sense, but it sounds tougher.
It doesn't make any sense, but it sounds cool, huh?
It sounds cool.
Volume,
Dude, that was
volume.
fucking
That's right.
hilarious.
Well, I'm glad my stupidity is providing entertainment.
I've been very entertained this stream.
Well, let's see. What do we need? Like 10 points? Yeah, we still need for
Did
today's
we
session a good amount of volume.
Okay, so if we look at the 15-minute chart, right? Like Chase, I'm kind of asking for your analysis here. It looks like we made a lower low now, right?
No, you're talking about a lower high. Let me see
No,
your screen. What are you talking about?
because this candle engulfed the structure.
Right. So you're saying that makes us, in that sense, we created a lower low. But I don't
So
think we
should we
really.
flip to the break and retest because it's not a
Let
lower
me
high
see.
now?
Let me see.
You see what I'm saying?
No, no, because it's a wick. It's a
No, it's
wick right
a.
now, Cam.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
You know what I'm saying? So it
Yeah.
can break all that structure and do all that. But if it's just wicking that, that's just sweeping liquidity in my eyes. If it's not closing and like showing follow through, I don't see that as it like a break of structure. Like I like how this is looking makes this more look to me like this is actually like that was a freaking um liquidity grab, like that was a sweep, and now we're actually moving bullish is how the 1 minute time frame is making me respond right now. I'm not getting into a long because I need to see us get above the WAP, but um That's my thoughts, Cam. Is yes, I agree with you that you're right. It did technically like create that lower low, but if it's a wick right now, that's not how I'm reading it. I'm still looking at this as a possible long. If we get bearish follow through, then absolutely yes. We would not be long. Let me throw, you know what, Cam? Let's throw a low of day anchored VWAP on the 730 like wicked low candle. And if we break below that VWAP, then you could 100% justify that short to me. Like not a huge risk trade, because it's not like the highest like bread and butter probability, but like you have over a 50% chance of winning if this closes below that low a day anchored VWAP. I like the shorts, I'm not gonna lie.
True. The low of day, high of day trades have been working well in big trending
That's what I'm
day
saying.
conditions.
From what I've learned from some of July and August crap is
Yeah.
what Cam just said. So this is a big 5 minutes right here. This is a very interesting 5 minutes to me, and area of price that we're at. I'm extremely interested in these in this 80 to 70, what is that, 76, 75 range, to see what happens there. Do we use that as support? Otherwise the sells are going to be looking, if it's not obvious, I know it's been nothing but bearish today, but I would finally give the green light on a short if we close below. And I might actually size this up to see if I want to get into a small short the way we're looking right now. So we closed below. We closed below the low a day anchored VWAP. So I'm going to get into a small short here. I'm just going to go 30. We're going to go 30 micros, which is 10 an account. So it's not a huge position at all. But my entry price, you guys, is 75.5 on the short. Stop loss will be see how far I want to give it. I mean, I almost want to go up here close to OR high. It's just kind of a deep stop then. But yeah, you guys, that's where my stop will be, is up there. And then take profit level. See, these low a day, I might get some profits here, but I don't want to necessarily just like hold on for this big long like like 9.5. I'd like that there. So yeah, R to R, this is really, really bad. So to be honest, if this isn't our move lower, like my stop's gonna be right here actually for R to R, because if we pull back, I'd rather get out of this and then see what happens at the VWAPs, and then either I can get back into a short or I can get into a long, but I don't want to get caught in a big drawdown short. This trade, it's designed to pretty much be working without a huge pullback. It's supposed to be, hey, we have momentum right now. So if buyers want to give us a bunch of strength and pull back, then fine. Like I don't have a ton of risk on this trade. But I like my stop cam right here. You might disagree with it. I would rather split this up into two trades, brother, than having horrible R to R on one trade. What do you think? I don't think Cam's gonna agree with me on this, you guys.
I think it should at least go at 85.50.
Right now it's at 84.50. Okay, you guys, just because it's Trader Cam and he seems to always survive his stop by half a fucking point, I'm gonna put it up at 85.50, because if it tagged 84.50 and 85.50 survived, I would go kick stones and
That's when
pound
you
sand.
pound sand, bruh.
I would go pound sand all afternoon. So I'm gonna just put it at 85.50, because either way, it's still, the risk to reward is actually something I can live with there. It's more like 1R.
If you want,
Um,
here, I'll pull up. I'll put my chart on just so you can see why I choose that specific number. I'm looking at this wick right here. Oh my, this is so annoying when it does that. That wick is 85.25 right here. So that gives you
um,
enough room here. It gives you enough room here. But this candle, this was your sell candle. How do I say that in a smarter way? This was your confirmation candle that we were going lower. So if we get back above that price and show support off of that, buyers are probably going to take it back above the VWAP.
exactly. Well,
Yeah, I
you
don't think
guys,
you need to put your stop loss above the VWAPs for the
no,
way you
thank
explained
you.
it.
So you actually do see the reasoning on that trade, right? Like, this is a low a day anchored short.
Yeah,
This
if
isn't
you're
a
going to
break and
sell it
retest
that far
short.
down, I mean, why are you going to put a stop loss so far up? Why are you going to cook your account?
Exactly, exactly. If
Just
I'm gonna
take the
short
loss and then get
momentum down
another trade.
here, I'm either right with the shorts here, or if we're retracing right now, then this short is therefore incorrect. I don't want to be caught in this thing has to move lower, or I'm gonna sit in the short, because then if this thing reverses and this is just a lower leg and it goes higher, then I torch my accounts just because I wanted to die on the hill of shorts. No, if the low a day anchored VWAP doesn't hold and this short doesn't win, so be it. We'll take a small loss and we'll still be green on all three evals.
Right, because in my opinion, I think if shorts are just going to continue, there's no, like you said, there's no need for there to be a pullback.
Exactly. Exactly. This is not a trade that I'm looking for, because there's definitely certain times where you'll hear me or Cam in a trade be like, oh, this thing could pull back here and I'm sitting through this. My stop's here, my stop's at a good place because I expect a pullback here, but this is where my entry criteria is. But safe stop in case of a pullback. This high a day, low a day anchored VWAP trade is not one of those positions where you're really anticipating a large pullback. Yes, you don't want to give yourself 4 points. You want to give yourself a little bit of breathing room, but you're not anticipating a large pullback. It's either price is kind of like you're right or you're wrong, and you kind of can tell right away. This thing is starting to bleed into profits for us, you guys. Now it's definitely coming back right as I said that. We'll see what happens here. Other thing to look out for, you guys, is that initial balance IB low was set second, most recent. So yesterday, though, I just want to go over yesterday. I did not trade. I did not go on live, nor did I trade. I back tested the day at the end of my day. I was busy moving and whatnot and with family, but at the end of my day, I back tested, and I would have gone short on a break and retest, and using the IB statistic, and it would have gone almost to my take profit, and I would have taken, I think, partials. But then, and I can actually show you guys here too really quick if Cam's got me on. So,
yeah, I'm gonna have you on
it would have gone close to take profit, but then it would have actually reversed. So this low right here, this is IB, this opening range low is also IB low. So that, statistically speaking, would have gotten tagged 70 to 80%. But no, the IB high was tagged, not the IB low. So just to throw that out there, like, yes, the IB low stat is in my favor. However, actually, is it, Cam? Yeah, it is, because even if this 730 candle counts as after initial balance, if the IB low is broken, then there's only a 13% chance that the IB high gets taken that day as well, and vice versa.
IB is set at 1029, like the opening range is set at
perfect. So 1030, actually, this took out the IB low. So we have a 13% chance of taking out the OR high today. Does that mean, you go all in on your account because you have an 87% chance of putting a stop right here and it not getting tagged and going short? No. Be smart, you guys. That doesn't just mean, this is a stat that we've learned about initial balance. This stat also changes every day. I told you that 70 to 80% loss yesterday, right? So, especially in this market regime, trade price
what's
action.
up with traders in the word regime, man? Y'all motherfuckers love saying regime. Man, like
I love that word. I'm not gonna lie. I use it all the time in my diction. It's not a new thing. Regini, anyone, K-Walk, back me in the chat. I've been saying regime for a minute on stream now. Ever since I started streaming, it's been part of my addiction.
They were joking about that word in the BSC today.
Were they really?
Yeah, Randy was like, what's the regime today, James? And James sent a picture of Kim Jong-un. Like, bro, what is going on?
That's comedy.
If you're not in the Black Shirt Club, Join in. It's fun in there. It's nice having a community. I know I have the chill zone, but being around professional people is also nice.
Definitely. Well, you guys, the short isn't looking amazing right now, but I like my stop. I like my risk. So I'm not scared out of this trade. I'm practicing my process, which is I set my stop at a spot that I trust it, that I trust if price gets to here, I no longer want to be short. But if price doesn't get there, I can't just, you know, emo my way into cutting something early or adding on. I just need to let this shake out right here. And yeah, have we just been going straight pretty much bearish the whole time? And could we get a bullish retracement to WAP just to go short again? Of course. And if that happens, I might still make money today. I could lose this trade and still be green on the day. Like, chat, we gotta you know what it is? I'm listening to Tom Hugard's book again, Best Loser Wins. We gotta get good at losing and trusting our process.
Facts.
Let's see if we can get back below the low a day anchored WAP.
I think I might stay flat today, chat.
Good for Trader Cam. Because he's such a good double break trader that part of Cam like elevating to the next level will be like how flat or reduced risk can he be on days like today where he doesn't get a double break. Because the
That's
less
so
he trades
true.
non-double breaks, the more profitable he's going to be, I think.
That's true. Because until I get a second batch of accounts that are made for stuff other than the double break, like now I'm messing with my account progress.
It's that batch, dude. It's having batches that I think is so nice psychologically, like having that.
Having batches is the only reason how I was able to take payouts and pass my accounts because I use my
Really?
batches to my advantage. Yeah, because you know how I'm going through my drawdown streak right now, right? I have three
Yeah.
accounts that are sitting in profit 2 days away from a payout.
Are you for real?
Yeah, instead of going back and forth between like my good accounts and my bad accounts, nah, let me just focus on my bad accounts. And then if my bad accounts get torched, well, hopefully by then, you know, my trading starts getting good or whatever, and I go on a win streak. And then because I preserved my 3 good accounts in tougher conditions, or while I was just tweaking, I didn't get rid of all the work.
Right.
Risk management can outperform a trader themselves, in my opinion.
100%. Oh, that's a really good thing you're bringing up, Ken. What's it called? A really good trader with poor risk management will never make money. Trader, like technical analysis wise, with really good risk management can actually be profitable. So that's a great point.
Dog shit trader with great risk management, just to be blunt, because that's how I am. You'll have a better chance of winning and being in the long run than somebody who can spot out great trades but can't size their account properly.
Exactly.
You swing for a home run every time, then okay, you can make 10 grand, cool. Guess what? When you have a bad month, you're gonna be down 50 grand because you're used to swinging, thinking you can get it back, and you're not going to. You gotta learn how to stay out. Or you gotta learn how to take one big L and accept it. Just feel like shit for the day. I've gotten great at feeling like shit, and now I don't care.
Right.
Like, it's like when bad things happen to you, instead of asking why, now it's like, okay, this is used to build me up. Like, getting rid of the
Definitely.
victim mentality. I had somebody tell me that I'm not a victim. And trust me, I've been through a lot of shit. And they were like, look, nobody cares what you've been through. You're not a victim, especially people that don't know you. So you need to understand that. And that's when I realized I need to stop bitching. I need to stop complaining. I need to stop being upset that bad things are happening. Bad things happen to everybody.
Right.
I'm special, but I'm not different.
Right. I forgot, you guys, sorry, Discord. I forgot to drop this in. See, this is why you gotta watch the stream. Because I don't post, I don't do a trading service. I stream my journey for education and entertainment purposes. I don't run what is it called? When you like sell your like
Disclaimer,
trades.
this is not financial education at all.
Well, of course, but what's the thing? Like, they always joke about Randy. Like, Randy has like where he sells his trades on the side. Where like, say you have one of those like, like a Telegram where like you post your short and everyone pays $50 a month to see your trades. What's it called?
Signals?
A signal service. Thank you. This isn't a signal service. Thank you. Thank you. But the Discord, it's not a signal service. It's free. But it is valuable because it's for education and also entertainment, but mainly for
It's not for
education.
education. I don't think we can say that.
Okay. It's for
It's
entertainment
not,
and
we're not teaching people anything.
it's for community. It's for
Yes.
community.
Yes.
That's what I meant.
Yes. I bet like as I've become a streamer and stuff, like my like other streamer friends, they say like certain things you can't say because like we're
Right.
not licensed to give financial advice.
Right. Of course
So
not.
we can't use
I'm not a
words
financial
like
advisor.
education because like AI, everything's ran by AI now. You know what I mean? Like it
You're
sucks
right.
that we have to be that nitpicky with words.
You're
But
right, but you can't.
in reality,
you have to say this is not financial education. This is for entertainment purposes only.
this is for entertainment and showing transparency in our trading journeys.
Right.
You can learn from it, but we're
This
not
is me
providing you with
documenting
education.
my journey live. Good way to put it, Cam.
If you learn from it, perfect. We want to help you, but we're not educating you.
No.
But if you read between the lines, we are. But we can't just be like, hey,
Come on in,
this
Pops.
is educational. Because then the big guys at YouTube are going to be like, are you trying to be good people? Bruh, chill. Like, dude, I got restricted on Instagram, bro. I can't share links for 30 days because they're like, oh, you're trying to scam people or you're trying to
you're
promote that
kidding.
people can. Oh, yeah. And I mean, that happens to all of us. But I think it's because in my link, I put learn about the double break here because of my YouTube video. And I think it's because I can learn. I'm saying that I can educate. They care about stupid ass words like that. It's so annoying.
Oh, I got you.
They don't want it to
But-
be misleading.
Hey, no, Cam, it's actually a good thing. I think that happened to you now, because then it's just like it's a red flag to both of us on how like sensitive it is with the language in this industry. And so I would much rather us learn from like a warning like that, because it can get like really serious legally really quick with lawsuits. So I actually am really glad that we had something like that happen, where it makes it very apparent how seriously they take it, but you're
And,
not
like,
actually being sued right now.
Something else I learned, bro, is like you can't call other traders or other businesses like don't talk bad anytime about anybody because people can sue you.
Interesting.
Yep. They'd be like, oh, he called me this, and I have a legal business. I have an LLC. I do this. I have, and so, and that can,
He
they'll shut
called
you
me
down.
this. He called me this.
Bro, I swear to God, bro. Like, did you ever watch 2K on YouTube?
No.
Oh my God, bro. I was gonna say, like, anybody that watched 2K growing up, like, all the streamers on there, they'd all talk crap about each other, and like they would get into lawsuits about defamation and, oh, he's saying fake stuff about me and it's ruining my views. Like, it gets real. Like, people are shisty. That's why y'all see I'm really timid with my words and what I want to talk about. Cause I'm not the type to get tried. If you try me, I don't even want to like, just don't try me. I don't recommend it. I'm like Rick. I'm the Rickest Rick in this bitch. If this 15-minute candle closed back below the previous day New York, I will like your short.
I am liking it more and more as time goes on right now. Regini, are you short with me? Is my girl short?
Bro, speaking of your girl, are you gonna leave us freaking hanging?
Nah, bruh, I didn't end up going out on no date. We rescheduled.
So happy for him, chat. Now what happened?
Bro, I literally rescheduled, but you guys last Friday was so funny. It was like, God, I need to, I guess, give you guys the tea about my dating life more often, because holy cow, you guys were loving it.
Yeah, dude, we might need a
Adam was loving it too. And JB was like, you guys were telling JB and he was cracking up wanting to hear about it. And I was like, JB, like, keep telling us why you're in a long, like, don't be talking about my social life, JB. Keep breaking down MES's, ticker symbol.
Yeah, Friday was fun. It was nice having all 3 and 4 of us.
That was really fun. Adam and JB, I think, both really enjoyed it too. Adam's a good dude. Adam's a really good guy. I felt so bad because he had sent me the double break indicator, which I like, by the way, chat, this one. I don't have it on right now because I'm not using it today, obviously. At least I hope isn't a double break day. Because that would mean that longs and everything turn out. So yeah, Adam's adorable. He kept, like, every time I got on stream the last 2 times, he asked me about the indicator he sent me. So I set it up. He emailed me the code and I put it into TradingView and it works great. It's super cool. But it was pretty funny because he was gung-ho about that indicator. Patience and not really knew it. One good trade at the time, nothing forced. Trust the process, right? The natural course.
K-Walk says just go buy the ring already, bro.
What'd he say?
He said go buy her a ring already, bro. You canceled, so now you gotta go back with a wedding ring.
Damn, K-Walk moves quick. Jeez. Jeez, K-Walk. Yeah, maybe if the market gives me some follow-through momentum to the downside, I can go shopping. God damn.
Yeah, right. If we ever get some good price action again.
Yeah, exactly. Then I can go ring shopping. But first, I'm gonna need to find myself a wifey before I spend money like that.
That's what we're getting rich for, bro. They'll all come to us
Well,
eventually.
also for my little sis and my mom, bro. My little sis, she's 8 years old. She wants a pink Tesla by the time she's driving.
She already wants a Tesla, bro?
Yes, wrapping a Tesla in like a pink.
Bro,
Uh,
you gotta manipulate her, bro. You gotta tell her there's gonna be some way cooler shit that'll be out by the time that she's 16. So just
oh,
get the
there
Tesla
will
out of
be,
her
but
head
I'll be
now.
getting it. No, I'll be getting a great deal with a pink Tesla.
Bro
Like
said no, we
Teslas are
want the
not that bad, right?
Tesla.
Like I'm lucky if he's like saying a pink Tesla and she doesn't want like, fancy freaking Ferrari or something. Although I don't even know where she would get the idea that anyone in her life is gonna buy her. It's not like we have like someone like very like, well off like that. That's like just copping a Ferrari like it's nothing. Like I would like to get there in my lifetime, but I'm currently not um extremely close. I've got a couple more funded accounts to go, you could say. Well, accounts might not be getting funded today, you guys. Let's see. Not to say if this did drop to TP, not to say that I would get funded, but one of the accounts is like 1,500 away. So we are getting kind of close. The other two accounts are like 1,900 away. And then I'm risking about $500 per account on this trade right now. So we'll see what happens. I'm obviously not loving that we're in drawdown. However, I'm not like shaking in my boots yet because the more time that goes on since initial balance has been broken, that we're not like erupting back, makes me feel safer about the short. An interesting question that I'm going to propose is, how aggressive do we want to get if we get a sharp close beneath? Because look at this close. This was a really nice sharp close beneath low a day anchored. We could have added. What would have happened if we added right there? It just would have added drawdown. If we close below again though, are we really thinking this is still gonna hold up? And this isn't just gonna floor to previous day POC? We're low size, chat. One account? Can we add a little to one account? No. I'm gonna shut that bullshit down right now. If we only make, a few 400 or 500 today per account, that's what this trade is offering us. I actually am gonna cut that.
I would say don't add into lower quality trades.
That's it right there.
I think that should just be a standard rule for all of us.
That's a standard rule. Not adding in because it's not my bread and butter.
Right, right.
It doesn't mean it's not a higher. It doesn't mean it. I don't like saying it's a not a high probability trade. Maybe of our criteria, it's not as high, but I don't like saying, because probability wise, I think this still probably moves lower than higher. probability wise, I think it's fine. I think it's the fact that it's not our bread and butter. We don't have a ton of experience, a ton of data with these trades yet. It's not like the double break, which we have been studying, and the break and retest, which we've been studying ever since we started watching Futures 2.0, you know. These trades are a little bit more new to me and Trader Cam. So, I was considering if we get a close below the WAP, like we did here, like adding in, because probabilities say we continue to move short, but there's also no reason why we couldn't, you know, I'm in drawdown. That's the other thing. The market
The first
is
question I like to
disagreeing.
ask is, if you add in, are you going to be okay with taking a bigger loss on a trade like this?
Exactly. That's another valid question. I like my risk right now, which has allowed me to feel very comfortable throughout this trade, even though we've been in times of uncomfort and drawdown for most of it. I haven't felt like, oh my God, my P&L, you know? But if I add size, Cam's right. I hate feeling that way. I don't know if, I mean, you guys, if you guys watching in the chat like trade for real, then you know what it's like to be stressed about your P&L. If you only have paper traded a few times and you've never traded size ever, then you might not know what it's like. But if you've ever had an eval or anything, doesn't mean you've had to ever had real money online. But if you've ever invested, you know, $10 or more of your money into this and your emotions are involved, if you feel over leveraged, it feels just, you know, feels like, like get me out of this. This is kind of nasty price action though.
Well, hear me out, right? We've had an hour of selling. We'll just say that. Heavy selling at that. I'm not surprised that we're consolidating, accumulating. The next move hasn't been decided yet. I don't know what the next move would look like and how we'll know. Maybe
I
if we
might
get back
need
like
to
15-minute 200 MA.
change this up.
Maybe if we get back and hold above the VWAPs. But for now, we've just been chopping between previous days New York, the IB low, and the previous value area high. That's our pinch. So honestly, if we break above value area high and we hold, and then get above VWAPs and hold, yeah, buyers are in. If we get below the daily open, which is 76.75, a nice even number, we'll probably go back down to point of control. Or lower. That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah, so what I'm actually doing, you guys, is I'm splitting up my accounts into 3 different buckets stop loss wise. So one of them is going to be a little bit further, giving it a little bit more, giving the WAPs a little bit of room to work here. The other 2 are going to be at that 85.5, but one of them is going to be up at 91 just in case it just wanted to retest the WAPs and then come back lower. So just to let you guys know, so 75.5, so on this account we'll go up to 85.5 and we'll stick the stop. And on this account, okay, we have one at 91 there on that account. So this account will go to the 86 or the 85.5 and I'll stick the stop there. All right, let's see what happens, you guys. So 2 out of my 3 accounts I have my stop at like 85.5, 86. And then one of the 3 accounts, I have it up at like 91.
So one of my accounts in drawdown has 4 of the 5 days completed.
Nice, bro.
So my next $200 day, I'll be eligible for payout anything over 101K.
Nice, dude. That's legit.
That's the other reason I'm okay with waiting for a really good setup today. I want to make sure I
Smart.
get that 5th day. Because then when I get that
Very
5th day,
smart.
I'm not scared to push the account. I mean, there's no
Yeah, bro.
contingency.
Especially once you see what happens with the WAP right here. If it gets broken or if it holds sellers.
I think I would still want to be a buyer, to be honest.
85.5. Okay, I gotta just adjust this guy up to there. I gotta adjust a couple of these stop losses because I can't have a stop loss right on the WAP. You know, I mean, that just doesn't feel right. Even if it means I extended my risk a little bit, I can afford to do that in eval. I don't want to have my stop loss right on a VWAP. You know what I'm saying?
That's the only flex. Small risk, big reward, keep it all in check. Red day to day, man, it don't faze me. Tomorrow's a new setup, still here chasing. Watching money grow, slow and steady, that's the only way I know. Letting winners run, stack it up, quiet one trade at a time.
If we have a bullish close above the 200 moving average after 11:30, I'll probably go long.
Damn, okay.
Which will mean we should also be above the VWAPs at that point. So that gives 8 minutes to hopefully break and hold above. Antoine,
Cam praying on a red Tuesday for me, I guess, you guys. He said hopefully we can go break and hold above the WAPs. That would mean your boy gets stopped the F out on this. He's like, hopefully Chase's stop just gets absolutely like order fucking filled right now, bitch.
Yo, chat, I didn't say that.
Cam's like, go fill that stop. Hunt that stop.
Only do that if I'm in the trade.
We are aligned with daily VWAP. I'll buy if we break. Okay. So they like the longs if we get back above. I mean, yeah, if we get back above, I'm certain that's when you guys would be buying when I'm also technically buying because I'd be buying out of my short, right? I'd be selling my my short position. I'd be buying it at a higher price, buying it back. So I would also be, in a sense, doing the same thing as you guys. But instead of getting into a long, I'd be getting out of the short at that price. Above the WAPs. Let's see what happens at the WAPs, though. We had an initial rejection off of when it got close to the New York WAP. Or the WAP, I should say. We got close to the WAP. Last time I said WAP a lot, it brought in sellers. But I was a bull that day, so that hurt me. Today I'm a bear, so I'm actually hoping that the sellers step back in. I'll be right back, gang.
Peace out, bro scout.
I'm liking this rejection, you guys.
Yeah, coffee's hot, charger up on the screen. Green candle stacking, living out the dream. No rush, no panic, I just trust the plan. Patience is the edge, that's how the pro stands. In the zone, watch your money grow. Slow and steady, that's the only way I know. Chill in the zone, letting winners run, stack it up, quiet, one trade at a time.
Oh man.
Discipline over hype, that's the only flex. Small risk, big reward, keep it all in check. Red day to day, man, it don't faze me. Tomorrow's a new here chasing. In the zone, watch your money grow. Slow and steady, that's the only way I know. In the zone,
This price action sucks, man.
quiet, one trade at a time.
God, if IM's even worse. Jesus Christ. Look at YM, bro. One move and then that's it. Horrible. I'm glad I didn't take the double break on YM.
Watching money grow, slow and steady, that's the only way I know.
Dude, I think New York session is patched, bro.
That's tomfoolery out of Cam's mouth.
Hey, man. This price action is looking the same every day.
Okay, if it's looking the same every day, it should be easy green. I disagree. I don't think it looks the same every day. I think I would be rich as fuck if it looks the same every day. And so
You're
would
in
you.
drawdown right now, right?
Regini would be rich as shit. K-Walk, everyone, if it looked the same every day, bro. I am in drawdown, but I ain't tripping.
Nah, I don't know, bro. I think it's just because I struggle with choppy conditions. This is my kryptonite.
Got it. Because, like, yeah, like, what's the point of pointing out that this trade's in drawdown for me? It's like, yeah.
Oh, I was just
But
fucking with you, bro.
This
I'm
could be
fucking
in
with you.
profits. This could be in profits, and as we know, it could turn into a loser. You know what I mean? Like, we don't know what it is until the result's actually done.
Facts. The stop loss invalidates your trade.
Exactly. So I don't know. Even if this thing rejects off the WAPs, I'm not gonna be like over the moon. Like, oh, like if it goes back into below my entry into profits, I still could lose. Right now, it looks like I'm gonna lose. Yes. Could I win this trade? Absolutely. I don't know what's gonna happen here, so I'm not gonna pretend like I do. As Cam is saying, even though we do disagree respectfully with each other sometimes, I can agree with him that price action today and for much of August, it's been tough. I won't agree so far to say that New York is patched or any stupid shit like that. But like,
It's patched.
yes, it has been ass. Yes, we have been like, you know, having to learn a lot. You know,
I can't take it anymore. Now we're gonna see a
tired of
Trader Cam crash out.
Cam's tired of like, yeah, like you either win or you learn. Cam's like, I'm sick and tired of that. It's like, if you lose, you learn. Like, I'm tired of losing.
You either win or you win. There's no losing in life, okay? I'm done with that losing shit. We only take dubs around here.
This might not be the industry for you then, my G. You might want to go into like dentistry or like medicine or something that has like a 95 to 99.9%.
Yeah, I
success
might want to
rate.
go be the fucking guy that sits in the movie box ticket holder. Just hand out
Exactly. And you can just take 100% hit rate with your job.
tickets. Guaranteed check, baby. That's funny. I'm liking the longs chat. I'm not gonna lie. I think I'm gonna wait for a pullback though. Like I want to see us get above the VWAP, pull back to it, and bounce. I think that's what I'm gonna wait for. I don't want to take the first breakthrough.
Smart.
Cause I do want to get into a trade today. I'm not scared to trade. I just want it my one trade.
Yeah, no, I don't think anyone is thinking you're scared to take a trade. I definitely am not. I think you're actually being smart by being patient. Like, I'm close to my stop loss, you know what I mean? Like, I'm 10 points in drawdown right now. Like, I'd rather be flat. But I took my trade. I liked it. I've been in it for almost 50 minutes, so I've also given
Has it really been that long?
Yeah, bro. I got in this trade at
dude.
freaking 10:43, and it's 11:30 Eastern time right now, bro.
Jesus.
I know. That's what I'm saying.
In chat, the other reason I'm not jumping into the longs right now is because like with choppy market conditions, this month I've been realizing that, you know, like the time of the move matters. Like how many minutes is it taking to go from one price to the next? So we just had, you know, from 11:26 to 11:29, a decent push up. We had that same push up at 10:50 to 10:53. So 3-minute increments are pushes in this choppy market. So I'm being mindful of that. I'm not gonna expect to see a push of 3 minutes or 4 minutes and be like, okay, now we're gonna straight buy up for the next 15. That's probably unlikely. What? And you said you ended up raising your stop loss, right, Chase? So are you still in?
Mm-hmm.
I'll put you back on screen since I'm not gonna jump in yet.
Yeah, I'm still in.
Nice. On all three.
I
accounts,
just,
right?
yeah. I'm just in 10 micros on all three. So like 30 total, but just think of it as 10 micros, like 1 mini per account. I am not liking it, surprisingly enough, as you would say, well, Chase, you finally, you know, it looked like you were just gonna go get effed right there, and you're still alive. Yes, and I'm grateful for that. However, the more time we're spending up here, the less I'd like it to go create a new session low. So I guess, yes, I'm not like gonna just close my trade right here, right now, but I am gonna be quicker to remove risk, especially if we do.
Oh my god, look at the
I'm out.
longs. Oh
I'm
my
out.
god, I'm about to get long. Oh my god.
I'm toast. Alright, so I lost about 800 per account. That's fine. We're still in green on all three accounts, I believe.
Alright, I'm long at 87.50. Fuck, I'm way too sized heavy. Shit. Well,
How much are you in? How much are you in, G?
I'm in a mini.
But you're way too sized in, you said?
Yeah, it's too heavy. I don't think I'm
Dude,
gonna have a good stop
what
loss.
the fuck? Did this literally wick me out by 1 fucking point?
Fuck. What did I do? What do I need to put my stop loss at? 81? Oh, okay, that's not bad. Okay. Okay, I was tripping. Alright, I'm gonna risk $512. So that puts my stop loss at 77.25. Perfect, that's below the IV. Perfect. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna risk 500 to make 500.
Nice, G. Nice.
Watching money grow, slow and steady, that's the only way I know. Letting winners run, stack it up quiet.
Take profit is at 97.50. Let's just identify where that is. I'm kind of just winging it right now, chat. I think I got induced by that push. I'm not gonna lie. I did.
That's so irritating that it literally wicked me out and then floored. Like, I guess, chat, my stop could have been a little bit higher.
Yeah, coffee's hot, charts are up on the screen. Green
All right, we're gonna go for $450. 96.50 will be a take profit.
no panic, I just trust the plan. Patience is the edge, that's how the pros stand. In the zone, watching money grow, slow and steady, that's the only way I know.
All right, here you go, chat. That's what I got looking at.
Quiet, one trade at a time.
Antoine's long.
Overhype, that's the only flex. Small risk, big reward.
He got long at 11.31.
Well, I'm so tempted to retry this short. Because I'm so confused why price just halted right here, Cam. Like, I thought we were going to go take off to the long side. Like, why did this happen? If you look at the 5 minute, it's looking... Ooh. The shorts are... All right, in one of my 3 accounts, I'm getting one more short position on. Sorry, Antoine. I'm baiting you. I'm baiting Trader Cam live on a Tuesday morning. But this is nothing new to me and Trader Cam. I think Antoine's not used to fading me, but hey. K-Walk wants the short, but he's staying on the sideline, he said. K-Walk, I need you to join me because it's a 2v1 right now, Antoine and Trader Cam. I need a 2v2, and then we'll get Regini in this bid short.
High, charts are up on the screen. Green candle stacking, living out the dream. No brush.
I feel like I kind of FOMO'd into this entry, but like, I also don't feel like it's a bad trade.
Uh-huh.
Slow and steady, that's the only way I know.
I definitely thought we were about to skyrocket. I thought market was about to make me eat my words. You know, I was just saying, you know, we're probably not just gonna run up to the sky. Yeah, we're trading long today, chat. We had to be patient. There was no double break, and I wanted to take a good trade today, so I waited for a pullback to the VWAP. We're above the value area high. We swept the lows of the value areas already, so.
We are above the value area high. I will give Cam that.
I think if I wasn't a VWAP guy, I'd be a value area guy.
Yeah, if we're above the value area high, why do I love the shorts so much today?
Because we're in a market is bearish.
Uh-huh. Then why is did we just have we just had an extremely bullish overnight. I was like, why are we so far above like PPOC? But it's because overnight was just so bullish, that's all.
No trades on my part. Chase did take a short. He took a low day VWAP short, but I stayed flat. I didn't want to be a seller.
I got
So,
stopped out of that, you guys, for a reasonable loss on my evals, but I did just re-enter another short on the break and retest of the WAPs and opening range low. It almost retested the opening range low. Remember, JB said his bread and butter trade is a break and then a retest of opening range and then a continuation. So I'm going with JB's bread and butter today. We'll see if it works. We'll see you guys. Cam and Antoine, some of our guys like the longs, and I totally see why. Like, it's valid to like the longs right now as well. So we're above value area high. We are on ES at least. We're below New York VWAP. So to me, New York VWAP is king. So I say that would keep me out of a long right now. But if you got in long when you were above VWAP, then like stop hasn't been invalidated. Although I like how this is running right now. I'm up a few hundred on one of the evals, getting some money back here. Nick said, didn't you take any trades? I saw you at the start, then went out, just came back and saw you guys are still alive. Yeah, I have been in one since like the last hour, and I recently got stopped out and then got back short again. I think Cam just recently got long, right, Cam? You weren't in a trade earlier.
nope, I just got long at 11:34. I didn't want to be a seller today.
I think at 79.75, I'll take some off. And then I'll let the rest go.
Coffee's hot, charger up on the screen. Green candle stacking, living out the dream. No rush, no panic, I just trust the plan.
See if we can't get. I'm gonna leave the rest for, you know what I'll do actually? The first one will be right before PD value area high. And then the next one, you guys, I'll try to leave close to PPOC and see how close we can get this thing funded. Fuck it. Let's do it. It's just it's a $30 eval or whatever, so it's like I'm not gonna be I love Adam, but man, he trades at a pretty slow pace, like 6 months for one account getting to pay out. He is one patient man. Like you guys, I'm not that patient. This account is gonna get blown up in probably this week, or it's gonna get funded this week. Like, it's $30. I don't see the reward in being an eval king.
Yeah, that's how you play the game, bro. You gotta have money to bet.
Exactly. It's all about the risk reward, like your payoffs, like how much do you put into trading, and then how much are you like taking out of trading, and then like going to be taking out of as you like get better. Like that's how it is when you're trading the prop space. You got to be thinking how much the accounts cost, not like every dollar I lose on this eval. It's not like right now, you know, I just saw 300-400 turn into, you know, I'm only up 25 now on the trade. Well, it's not a big deal to me. It's not like I actually feel like that's $400 off the table, you know? You can't think like that in eval. It has to be the cost of the eval has got to be the weight of USD you put into it, not the USD amount that you're allowed as your max daily drawdown, because you're not actually trading 50 grand, right? It's sim, so. But that's just my thoughts.
that's the only flex.
When you're trading funded, it's very, very good to take take everything risk related very seriously. I just think in funded or in eval, if you are a confident trader that has shown the ability to be consistent and become a professional, then and you trust your edge, then yeah, you can you can trade with your balls hanging a little bit on eval sometimes.
Yeah. Years from now, they'll ask me how'd you do it. I say patience and not really knew it. One good trade at the time, nothing forced. Trust
Are you still on the long, Trader Cam?
Yeah, my stop loss is at 76, 77.
76, 77. Nice.
It's just below the previous day New York VWAP. Because kind of like you said, like I'm not looking for this to come back down. If it does, I was just wrong.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Coffee's hot, charts are up on the screen. Green candle stacking, living out the dream. No rush, no panic, I just trust the plan. Patience is the edge, that's how the pros stand. Chill in the zone, watching money grow. Slow and steady, that's the only way I know. Chill in the zone, letting winners run, stack it up, quiet one trade.
Dang, chat, looks like the buyers got faked out. If we can't hold the value area, but definitely not the structure I was thinking was going to come through.
I'm gonna add into my shorts, you guys. The shorts are looking really, really good right now.
Yeah. Years from now, they'll ask me how'd you do it. I say patience and not really knew it. One good trade at the time, nothing forced. Trust the process, ride the natural course. In the zone, watching money grow, slow and steady, that's the only way I know. In the zone, letting winners run, stack it up quiet, one trade at a time. Green candles, stacking slow.
So we just got below low a day anchored VWAP. So if we close below this, that would tell me that as of now, sellers have re-established complete control of the session right now. And we just closed below, at least on the 1 minute. See if we can continue to push on the 5 maybe.
Discipline over hype, that's the only flex. Small risk, big reward, keep it all in check. Red day to day, man, it don't faze me. Tomorrow's a new setup, still here chasing. Chill in the zone, watching money grow. Slow and steady, that's the only way I know. Chill in the zone, letting winners run, stack it up quiet, one trade at a time. Long game, that's the only motto. Small things add up, watch the account grow slow. No rush, no rush, let the process work. Chill in the zone, that's the only flex. Yeah. Years from now, they'll ask me how'd you do it. I say patience and not really knew it. But one good trade at the time, nothing forced. Trust the process, ride the natural course. Watching money grow, slow and steady, that's the only way I know. In the zone, letting winners run, stack it up quiet, one trade at a time. Green candles, stacking slow.
You still in, Trader K?
Yeah, sorry I'm quiet. I'm just inhaling very deeply.
No, you're good, bro. I know you're frustrated. It really looked when you got in long like you had like really sat through and got a patient entry, and now you feel like you had been flat, been strong, been patient, and then you feel like you just got like faked the fuck out. So I
feel like I FOMO'd
understand,
into a
bro.
trade, yet I liked it.
Right, exactly.
No, it's good. Like if I take a loss on it, I take a loss on it. It is what it is. You know, $500 isn't outside of my risk management. I luckily didn't oversize. I thought I did just because of how fast it started reversing on me.
Got it.
I just started reversing fast. That was all.
Okay, good. I'm glad to hear you say those words. Like I was saying earlier, when I took my stop on my first trade, I got hit with the stop and I was completely cool with it. And before I got hit, I wasn't panicking. I was like, hey, if I lose this trade, you guys, I lose this trade. So I'm glad to hear Cam has the same energy, because that's how we're going to get to be taking copy trading payouts, you know. Copy trading on funded payouts is by sticking to the process and the rules every day, no matter win or loss.
Looks like Austin took the shorts too.
Trader Cam is fading a couple goats this morning. Just kidding, I'm no goat. One day.
Oh dang, he bought the previous days in New York. Wow. That dude, he is such a scalper.
He's long?
Nah, he got out when we went back. When I got in, he got out.
Oh, damn.
He bought the previous days New York. He was a buyer today. Then he shorted and then he bought.
Smart. So when he saw that we held above previous day value area high, he got in going back towards the WAP, huh?
Looks like it. He's so
That's
savvy
wild,
with
dude.
his entry.
I know.
He takes 75 to 78.
I know, like what the
so
fuck?
Good at it. Like, and that's my biggest takeaway from Austin.
He's really good at that. I don't think that'll ever work for me. That's not my style.
Same, bro. Like,
I don't like 75 to 78.
I watch it work so well, though.
I know. He executes it well. I mean, at some point, Cam, we might get to a point where we're like, well, I tried trading my way. I'm just going to trade exactly like this dude who makes money, because my
dude, that was my first 3 years of trading. Shoot. I was trying to find the GOAT and copy him.
We're back about break even on this. I guess it's slightly in drawdown. On what account? On all of the accounts, actually. It's going to be slightly.
Alright, this is a good recovery candle. Thank God. Come on. Give us some follow through.
Yo, chat. You guys, I'm going to be hopping off soon regardless what happens in the next few minutes. I am out of time. I will keep you guys if I leave in the next few minutes and like say price hasn't like ran to stop or take profit, then I will keep you guys updated on my trade in the Discord. So if you're in the Chill Zone Discord, that's where I as well as Cam and other people post their trades and like other updates and stuff like that. So also I post a lot of my trades and trading thoughts on X. So just deanhart.chase on X, my last name, first name, same thing, Instagram. But yeah, you guys, I'm gonna be hopping off soon. I am not liking this bullish recovery for Trader Cam. Trader Cam's
survived by a few ticks again.
Trader Cam's stop loss games, if you know, he's got me effed up. But
one thing I'm gonna say is I can find good take profit and stop loss areas. I just don't know when to get in.
Yeah, exactly. I'm working on, normally my timing's not bad. I'm working on like my stop loss and take profit areas so we can like help each other and work on each other's because we both have different weaknesses and strengths. But anyway, G, thanks for hosting me. We'll see what happens here. It looks like the longs might recover and you might win the battle today, Trader Cam.
Our weekly fade.
Exactly. Our weekly
that's gonna be Thursday's flyer, bro. And be like, tune in for our weekly fade.
Exactly. We should just start calling it. And then if it doesn't happen, we'll be like, hey, the plan was for me to fade Trader Cam, but you know, I kind of like the long say. Whatever, we'll make it work.
You know what's funny is when I streamed with Ben and Matt, me and Matt took the double break. Ben faded us and he won.
Dude, that's comedy.
It really is. Chat, I'll probably stay on and watch this trade play out. I'm liking this, so.
Yeah. No, stay on with them. And then let me know. I know you might be on with Luna right tomorrow, but I'll see you then Thursday.
Yeah, I'll confirm with him again.
Yeah, keep me posted on tomorrow. So you guys, I officially move into my new place today, so I'll be streaming from
I didn't know you were
my new
moving.
place tomorrow. Yeah, streaming from my new place tomorrow.
Nice, bro. Is it like your own place, like your crib?
Yeah, I have one roommate, but it's a 2-story, like 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and I only have one roommate. So
Nice,
I have
dude.
like my own garage and all that sort of stuff, kitchen, everything. But yeah, all right. Thanks, you guys. Looks like the longs are playing out here. If you are short with me, remember a good stop is the name of the game, and if we lose, we're gonna lose with a good stop. That's what we're gonna do, and we're gonna lose the right way. Anyway, I'll catch you guys tomorrow, Thursday, Friday. Trader Cam, I'll catch you later, my brother.
Later, Chase. Thanks for hanging with us, bro.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Peace, you guys.
All right, guys. Hopefully we can get a follow through here. Nick, I did see your question. I was just waiting till I got de-stressed to answer it. Yeah, when I think about payout, my trading starts to suck because I start trading P&L, and that makes me very unprofitable versus just trading the structure or taking profits when I know I should. So I definitely try to just have like a clean mind. Got Antoine still in the longs. targeting the opening range low. I like it. I like it. I don't really know when I want to pull my trade. I have my take profit at the bottom of this wick zone.
Years from now, they'll ask me how'd you do it. I say patience and not really knew it. One good trade at the time, nothing for
So,
trust the process like the natural
I don't really know. I may just walk away with like a little over 200 like I've been doing. Or, I don't know. I've had a good spike of volume here, so I gotta pay attention to how many green candles we have once I'm in profit. You're targeting the opening range high. At 01. Yeah, I'm long right now. This is what I'm looking like. Sitting right at break even. Take profit at 76.96.50. Stop loss is at 76.77.25. I mean, yeah, I could just leave this chart up, to be honest. Yes, I do work out in the evening. I feel better working out at night because I get more food in me. Or I like to just take a nap in the middle of the day. And like, when I say take a nap, I mean like 2 hours. Just kind of let my mind chill from my trading day. And then I like to be in the gym by like 8:45, 9 o'clock. I like to go at night because there's not a lot of people. Like yesterday, I was kind of pissed off at the gym because I couldn't do the machines that I wanted to do. And it was chest day. I was so mad. I couldn't bench. The bench was taken all workout. I was so mad. I don't really track my protein. I have a shitty diet. Like, I actually need to focus on it. I went to the nutritionist last week and got a meal plan. And she helped me get some knowledge towards eating right. But yeah, that's something that I'm gonna focus on whenever like I get a good bag from trading or like Black Arrow. I want to invest into what are those things called? Personal trainers. You know, they help you work out and diet and stuff. Like, that'd be cool. All right, looking good so far. Looking good. I put my stop loss or my take profit to the opening range low. To be honest, I don't think I have the confidence to hold all the way up through the weekly and stuff. I just want to make my 200. I'll be happy with that. Pro. This price action is miserable. Oh my goodness. Golly. Yeah, it is definitely a boring day to trade, man. I mean, God, we moved 3 points. One blow, it'll hit TP straight to the upside. I need a huge blow right now. I need a gust. I need a torpedo. I need something. Most people probably took 86 to 91 and caught that little move. But I was already in on the FOMO. Oh boy. I thought dropping my take profit would take me out of the trade so I could just chill. Fuck, man. Oh my gosh. I know I love trading, but God. August makes me want to put my head through a wall, bro. The upside to this is that when the market conditions are really good and we want to hold for those big moves we're really confident in, because we went through all this shit, we'll be good. That's my takeaway from this. Enduring all of this fucking patience is going to eventually allow me to be patient in good trades too, where the market does go in my favor. All right, let me drop that. Yeah, I mean, we don't have any new information. So I would only close your trade if you just want to walk away with a small profit or a small loss. Otherwise, we're watching paint dry today. I mean, your only moves that you had were the shorts from the opening range low, like the break of the overnight at 10 o'clock. Or you could have been a reversion trader like Austin and bought the previous day New York back up to the VWAP. But I mean, otherwise, I don't see nothing. It's just horrible. I mean, every day looks like this. It's sideways. At least at market open time. All right, new 15 minutes. Hopefully we get some kind of push here. Hopefully we can be done by 12:30, chat. With a win, not a loss. And I have to say, like, for my own growth, this is definitely like the most patient I've been. Like, with how August has gone, I feel like the old version of me would not have reacted this well. I feel like I've been a lot more patient. Hey, brother, I don't blame you. Charts are gonna do the same thing whether we're looking at it or not. Enjoy your day, bro. Touch some grass for me, please. That's what I'm gonna do. As soon as I get off stream, I'm gonna go get a bowl of ramen. Looks like it's about to rain. Oh yeah, it's about to rain. Hell yeah. Hopefully I can celebrate hitting my 5th day of $200 and go get some ramen. That'll be a good way for me to wrap up my day. Hit the gym. Wow. I mean, we've closed on 87 like 10 times. Oh my lord. Wow, there's just no volume in the market. Candles are barely even moving. Jesus. God. What up, Chase? We got Chase in the building. Still suffering, G. I lowered my take profit from 96 to the opening range low because I just want my $200. It'll give me 225 at opening range low. You know, I'm gonna even take 212 because like I'm desperate. I want to be out of this trade. I don't care. I just want the minimum I need. I'm stressed the fuck out. I'm trying to grow my cojones. Trying to grow the cojones. If I were in your play, I'd just leave the chart and walk away, but you're built different. Okay. Yeah, it kind of sucks watching every candle like this. I'm like zoned in. But I know doing this is gonna make me strong. Yeah, we should be having something. And honestly, chat, like, if we do get back up to the opening range low, I honestly do expect to blow through it. I honestly do. If the buyers are going to step in. But I don't care to be around. I don't even like trading after, I don't even like trading after 11, so I'll take what I can get. If I can hold this trade and it hit my take profit, I'll feel really good. All right, looks like we're finally starting to get some follow through. This is good. Chat, you don't understand. If I hit this trade, I'm gonna be so proud of myself. Like, I'll feel like I actually accomplished something. Not because of the dollar amount, but because I have cojones. I swear, that's my favorite word. I'm gonna get it tattooed on my forehead. I think Black Arrow will still hire me if I have cojones across my forehead. Pause. Big pause. See, I need to end the stream. Rambling about nothing. I don't know, bro. 21 might think that's too Diddy. Bro, you know what's funny? One of the first times I went on Luna streams, his chat was calling me Diddy Cam. For no reason, by the way. Like, I didn't say anything sus, didn't do anything crazy, like, but for some reason, these motherfuckers felt the need to call me Diddy Cam. Dang, I'm cooked. Chase is gonna launch his big merch brand. I'm gonna have to get left behind on the sidelines. I appreciate you, bro. I'm a very emotional person, chat. Like, I care so much. I'm so goal driven. And I suck at hiding my face. But overall, I am really proud of myself. Even if this were to lose, like, I am proud of myself for at least having the courage to go through with it. Come on, baby. Let's go. That's a good close. Come on. We got Regini back in this bitch. Let's go. Thank you, bro. What would I do without you guys? Yo. Oh, bro, I just missed it. Dang, just missed it. Oh. No. It missed my take profit by 0.25. I'm still in it. Yep, that's just because the prices on different exchanges are different. That's why I also can't wait to trade on Black Arrow, because I won't need 2 different platforms to do an analysis and execute. And it's thundering. Yo, Earth, what'd I do? Earth, what'd I do? Why are you angry with me right now? So I guess my actual TP on the broker would be 76.92. Bruh, I'm not gonna lie. I'm putting my position to break even. I'm not gonna lie. I'm doing it. If we come back down, I'm done. I think that's the smartest thing to do, right? Risk management. And it'll also prevent me from tilting. So, if we come back down, that's just fate. But hopefully we can hit TP. Come on, it's so close. Oh, it's so close. And I can't pull it. I have to let it hit. It's literally on it. It's on it. And I can't take it because it's on 200 exactly. So if I hit the X. Dude, are you kidding me? What am I not understanding here? Is it not actually hitting it? Why is it saying $200 at my take profit? Wait, I don't understand. This candle went higher than this candle, but I didn't get taken out of my position. Bro, what is going on? I mean, at the end of the day, I mean, I'm not gonna lose, so it's not a big deal, but man, I think I'm just... Oh my God. Oh, we got Lucas in the building. What's up, bro? and I'm not trying to trade PNL specifically, but if I take the $200, because the fees to enter the trade were $1.75, I won't hit my minimum days. So I have to go for the next 0.25 up, which is 691.75 to give me 212. So I guess we have to breach 76.92 on TradeC for my trade to pull. Oh my God, this is so stressful. Dude, you've got to be fucking kidding me, man. Like, oh my God. It's going to take me out of the position. It's going to fucking take me out. Hardest market to make $200 in, chat. I went from making thousands of dollars to not even being able to make $200. Like, this is crazy. I'm trading a mini. 10 micros. I shouldn't be struggling to get $200. Oh my God. Because I need $200 for my minimum. And of course, that's exactly where, like, it's... God, the way this is happening is so frustrating. And also on TradingView, I did try to take my profit at the opening range low. But because TradeC's numbers are different, it's not the same. So, I'm just getting piped around today. Well, I don't know, bro. It's 76.91.75 on TradeC and 76.91.75 on TradingView. Got hit. Wait, this is ES. Yep, it got hit on ES too. I've been in this trade for an hour. This is insane. $4 points. I hope so, brother. I hope so. Let's go. We got it. We got it. Yes. Let's go, chat. Yes. 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 Like Daniel Bryan. Yes. Let's go, chat. That was very difficult for me. That was very, very, very difficult. But I did it. Let's go. Let's go. Yep. Keeping the level head kept me in it. Not overreacting, not scaring myself out. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for being here with me, man. I was talking about this in one of my mentoring calls. I was like, I don't know if I would trade the same off stream as on stream. So, man, that was brutal. That was an hour for 4 points. Oh my gosh. Well, the good thing is I now have one account that has 5 of the minimum profit days complete. So now, whenever I want, I can send that for a massive payout. Even though it's in drawdown. But that account is no longer restricted to a minimum days, and that feels great. Let's go. And that feels really good because it wasn't a double break trade. I've been feeling very nervous about needing to add to my bag and stuff. So for me to be able to catch a trade, hold it, and let my take profit hit, feels good. Later, big dog. I appreciate you for hanging out. I'm about to hop off myself. Do you guys have any questions for me or anything? I know it's almost, holy crap, 1 o'clock Eastern time. Yeah, I'm gonna hop off at 12:45. So, if you got questions, drop them in the chat. Nope. Seems like everybody's ready to head out. Yep, I'm ready to head out too. Let's go. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna eat the biggest bowl of ramen. Oh man, that was stressful, man. I thought my TP was gonna get edged and I was gonna reverse. Oh my gosh. Wow. Yeah, no double break today, so no journaling. Let me drop this in my BSC. Update the chill zone. Man, look at that, coming right back down to entry. Awesome. I got lucky. I don't know if I got lucky. Stop saying that, but I did a really good job at the end of the day. I had an idea, I held through with it, and I'm even proud that I decided to protect my account in the trade as I was burnt out. Yeah, so glad that I ended up dropping my take profit, not getting greedy, going for the minimum. Yep, we would have gotten break even right there. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna wrap it up here. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. I hope I provided you with a good example of trading today. My emotions definitely got a little wild, but I tell y'all every day, I'm an emotional motherfucker, but you can overpower yourself. You can become stronger than you think. I'm showing myself that sometimes. So that's good. All right, chat. We'll be back at it tomorrow. I should be going live with Luna. I'm honestly going to call him here in a little bit. And if not, me and Chase will be live. So I'll keep y'all updated in the Discord. If you're not done trading today, you should be. So with that being said, thank you for tuning in with Trader Cam. Peace out, guys.